Thanks to our French customers for choosing EA600COB1 Indoor COB LED display. EA600COB1 Series Indoor COB LED display front maintenance design. Maintenance is convenient and fast. LED module data and power input plug-and-play design. No need for additional DC power lines and cables. Easy to install. Save trouble and effort. This indoor LED display has an aspect ratio of 16:9. It supports standard 2K, 4K, and 8K resolutions. The indoor LED display is only 30 mm thick and weighs only 5.1 kilograms, saving space and bringing a rich visual experience.